What if this happens?
I know, right? Alright, let's go.
Let's do it.
Speed's a problem. Alright, let me cook. Matter of fact, I'm here to chow. Lyrically in your ring, I'm just looking for a vow. Somebody tell my lady Emma got the cow. Mvanaka ki boss in the two shot out of biao. Long live, man, I just miss mega. I'm born to be great, so I'm kinda like the cheddar. I swore to my mates that I gotta do it better. Said if black don't crack, then I'm kinda forever. Pro kid, man, shout out, what a leader. They told you I was sick and you thought I had a fever. Roboto times 3 if you wanna get a feature. You can do the maths if you want to, either. This is for the books, even though I'm not a reader. This is God given, I can make you a believer. Said if talent was a package, nigga, I am the receiver. Cause that's the X position, own ambition. I'm talking about the clean precision, own decision. You niggas need to gain permission. There's no religion, I'm covered by the Christ division. Yo, more talent than an exhibition. Than a talent exhibition. Yo, I got more lines than a fishing competition. Said I get more bars than a prison composition. Footy, yazing blind and I sit and wonder if you know that your girl is a robot lover. Tell her my body of work is on a GQ cover. The rest of my face is on a bus, they try to throw me under. Futhi talent all kids. Unkulunkulu mina ungihlanganise fact. Ithi ngivale bazophuma ngakaqedi. Phela mina ngihlezi on but I'm keeping ama battery. Keeping ama battery nama talent angapheli. You too insecure futhi ngapha awumameli. I'm the greedy type zokushanga stina nginemedi. Said you couldn't BYD ngoba udriver namachair. Couldn't BYD means you couldn't build your dreams ngoba uhlanyisa amachair like what Travis is to fiend. When I'm dancing is the only time I lean. More fire, madam tell paraffin. Let's go.
Wow, guys, wow. And guess what? Kunama comments are positive. Kuphela. Uthi lona naledi M and Robert Boy can make a good couple. Just one ki Moruti, our fave Orata Strata. Yeah, but yeah, I agree. I think they are friends. Yeah, last time I checked, una lady no Robert Boy were just friends. Uthi lona his Mzwakhe Mbuli's son after all. Fire. Clean, but that's not freestyle. It's well prepared. Yeah, actually a very freestyle. Yezwakala nje ukuthi into ayibhala phansi nje why rehearse and stuff. Actually freestyle. He's dope. Yes, sis. Yini angakwazi ukuyenza lo hawema guys and wenza yonkinto. Uyadansa, uyapodcaster, uyapresenter. Ngingabala kuzokushona ilanga wenza yonke into uRobert Boy, everything. Lyrical ngiyaringa. I'm looking for a vow. Damn. I too dope. Ubhalelwe ubaba wakhe lo. I don't think so. Yazi ukuthi kukezwakala sometimes umuntu into ayibhalelwe nento ayibhalele yena. Mina my opinion ngibona sengathi nje uyena oyibhalelile lana. Uthi lona he took after his father. Yazi ngiblind and I sit and wonder. Shame. He's dropping bars. If talent was a package, then I'm a receiver. Ooh, ayunzima kakhulu Robert Boy, guys. Qhubeka nesibindi mina ngiphethe Unilever. Ay, guys, lo mfana lo bhuti lo uNtswempu udlula ama artist amaningi lawe swazi yadumile. Hayi cha, he's too dope shem. Let's see, I'm born to be great. I'm kind of like a cheddar. You couldn't be YD because or driver namacheri. Build your dreams. South Africa should appreciate Robert Boy while he's still alive. Yes, I phela lo muntu udope kakhulu shema. I'm not gonna lie. He is too dope, very talented. Yo, I bandle. No religion, I'm covered by the Christ division. Guys, all the comments were just positive. Bemvuma nje ukuthi hayi udope. Let me cook. Matter of fact, I'm here to chow. Ay, guys, nani zizwele udope kakhulu Robert Boy, guys. Yo, he's too dope. That's it from me. Okwamanje, I will see you guys on my next video.